Hi everybody, day 2 out here on the river table. I'm going to make brown for the bottom of the riverbed. Use purple and yellow. And I did a conversion cubic inches into fluid ounces, and I need about 34-36 ounces of epoxy to fill the riverbed about 1/4 of an inch deep. And since that's an 1.5 inch thick piece of wood, that'll leave me an 1.25 inches with which to put clear. And I did find a rock out in the yard that's shaped like a heart, so that's cool. I'm going to put that in there. When I do work in the course of business, every job that I do, I put blessings in it, whether I write it down or just hold on to the pieces that I'm working on and put my energy into them. I am a healer, first and foremost, but that doesn't make me any money right now, so I do cabinets. This stuff's really thick. It probably doesn't help that it's pretty cold. In the last video I had a tank top on and I was warm. Today I have on a jacket and I'm cold. California weather. And just in case anybody's wondering, this is during the COVID virus scare. Working on, no worries. It's like molasses. Okay, I've got it pretty well mixed. I'm going to add in my colors now. I'm going to count drops because you're supposed to have the same, if I have to make it over again or whatever, if I have to put another layer, I want it to be the same color. So I'm going to start with 5 drops of each color. These are supposed to be ultra or super concentrated colors. Switch hands. I think I'm gonna need more. Okay, I've got it the color that I want. I didn't want to be able to see any light passing through it. I used up the entire containers of purple and yellow, and I started in on red and green. Excuse me, and I also used a whole bunch of the black. The idea is when it gets to 1/4 of an inch thick, it's not very, you can see through it a little bit. Stuff's getting real warm. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start spreading it on now. You're supposed to take a brush and paint on what they call the seal coat, so I'll do that real quick. I'm going to set up the camera on the tripod for this. tell you right now, this is not very fun, this part. Stuff doesn't like to brush on. I'm not going to bother doing a seal coat on the very bottom because I don't want it to seal to the side deck pave. This is to pop all the little micro bubbles. When I went online, they said you can use a hair dryer. It's not really effective. You can use a heat gun. That's not really effective. What you should get is a butane torch. So here we are. And wow, is this effective? As you can see, my seal coat exceeded the height of the pour. And there's some messy stuff, but I'll sand that off before I do the next coat. You're supposed to scuff this stuff anyway.